everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the effect that Velcro rollers can have in your hair. Basically, it will just give you volume and help smooth out your hair. So today what I did was just blow dry my hair with a round brush and then put in the Velcro rollers. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get started with the rollers. So I'm just going to take this top section and brush it till it's smooth. Take one of the purple big rollers and roll it, and you're kind of keeping it tight. Then I'm just going to take the clip and secure it at the top, and I'm just going to continue that down. Brush through, slide your hair to the end, and I usually take as much hair as the curler is wide, and then put one there. I'll probably do one more and then start on the sides. And if the hair starts to fall out right here, sometimes I just pull it out and I'll put that other hair in a different roller. It doesn't have to be totally neat. Then I'm going to take the sides and roll these back, and I'm going to use one of the smaller rollers. And again, I only kept the purple and the green colored ones, and I'm just taking this and rolling it back. These, it helps if you secure them from the underneath side, because if I do it on top, it's going to fall out. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. My mirror's over here, so I know you can't see really well, but I'm just taking another green one and putting it in the same spot. And then I'm going to put the clip in. Okay. Then I'll probably take another, let's see. You know what I'm going to do is finish the back, because I only have 12 rollers. So I'm going to do another big one in the back. Just roll it to the end. And then clip it. Okay. So I have to do mine strategically because I only have 12 rollers. So the next thing I'm going to do is take one of the big rollers and put it in this side section that I have up here. And I'm just doing the bigger one there because my layers are a little bit shorter there, and I don't want it to curl up too much. Although the Velcro, they mainly do volume. And then I'm going to take another one on the other side, and I'm going to use the big one again. And I'm rolling it back. Okay. What I sometimes do, you can see how my bangs look kind of, I don't know, they kind of look fried at the end. I'm going to take one of these and just put it in my bangs for a second. I don't even think it does that much. I definitely don't want the sausage roll, but that one I'm not even going to pin. So I have 4 rollers left, and let's see how much hair, this much hair. So I'm going to split this side into 2 and the other side into 2. This one I'm just going to roll under right here. And then secure it. And this one I'm going to go under. Okay. And then I'm just going to take this front out. It shouldn't do too much except maybe smooth it a little bit. So, and I can work with those later. And then I'm going to take the last section of hair over here, divide it into 2, and roll these last 2 under. And it is so hot in my house today. I don't know what the deal is. I mean, it's hot outside. It's really muggy, but I think I'm sweating, so I apologize. Secure that one. And then the last one. Now I can see that I left like one little hair back there, but it's okay. The next thing I'm going to do is spray. My favorite hairspray, Quick Dry 18 by Redken. I'm just going to spray all over. Try to get all of them. This is what it looks like from the back. It's probably not very neat, but anyway. The other thing that I like to do is heat them up a little bit and then cool them off. So this is a type of diffuser. It's just like a little net, and it's like kind of squishy, and I'm just going to put it on the end of my hair dryer. If you have a regular plastic diffuser, you can use that as well. When you use a diffuser, it doesn't blow your hair, it just heats it. So it's great when you want to leave your hair curly because it doesn't blow it around, it just kind of heats it. Kind of like when you're at the salon and you sit under one of those dryers. So I'm just going to turn it on and heat up my curls, you'll see. Just kind of heating all of them. Until you can feel the hair is kind of warm. And normally I would go ahead and put on my makeup or wait probably about 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Turn the camera off, wait 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what I do when I'm done. Okay, so I've just waited about 5 minutes, I think. And the first thing that I'm going to do, and trust me on this one, you'll want to do it too if you use the clips. Take all the clips out before you start unrolling, because then your hair doesn't get tangled. So I usually just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I get that one? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where's my other one? Because I've tried pulling these out one at a time and I end up like ripping my hair out. So now all the clips are out, and what I'm going to do is just take them out and just kind of pull them the way the hair's going. And you're just kind of rolling them out. And then the ones in the back and on top. And one more. Okay, so you can see that it's a little bit of volume. It looks much smoother than before. And then what I sometimes do is, just because I like when my hair looks smooth, I don't mind it with volume, but I like it to be smooth. So I'm going to put in two more drops of the Ancient Serum, or any type of oil that you like to use, and just run it through any parts that look dry. Then what I sometimes do is then you could either leave it like this if you want it a little, curly, and it's probably the parts that are curled where I have layers. But it definitely gives you some volume on top. What I sometimes do is just go over it with a hair dryer and a medium-sized round brush. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just kind of smoothing it out. And so it's just kind of smooth, and as you all know, I like to tease just this little bit at the crown. I do it lightly, and I don't really brush it out. I'm just brushing lightly the hairs that are kind of sticking up. And I'll go ahead and spray. And then you can play around with it, but that's basically it. Gives you a little bit of volume using the Velcro rollers, and kind of smooths out the end so it looks a little bit healthier. So I hope that was helpful and good luck trying. Thanks for watching.